Hello students. So in this video we are going to talk about this notification regarding vacant seats which has been released by Hidayatullah National University. As we have discussed in earlier videos, those seats which despite the fifth list released by consortium are vacant are filled by individual universities. So in this regard, Hidayatullah National University has released its vacant seats notification. Now, as I have told you earlier, you can keep track of all vacant seat notification of all universities in a single page. When you search for NLU vacant seats on Google, you can go to the first website, which is our Abhyaas Lawprep website, and therein you can find mention of all the vacant seats. So right now HNLU Raipur has released the notification. Let's look at the notification, right? If we come to the notification essentially talks about two things. First, the number of vacancies and the category of those seats and who can avail it. Second, the procedure of filling those vacant seats. Right now, if we come to the notification, it says that these are the set of seats which are vacant even after fifth round and the university is trying to fill it. In All India category, we have 6 general or unreserved category seats, 1 SC, All India SC, 2 All India ST seats, and 1 All India OBC seats are available. Now, alongside, we also have for those who have Chhattisgarh domicile, 3 extra seats, one in unreserved, one in SC, and one in ST category. Right. Coming to the PG, here also we have All India unreserved 12, SC All India 3, and OBC All India 3 seats. Now, right, the notification does not specify as to what rank will be a cutoff. That means everyone can apply for this particular vacancy, but the merit list which will be drawn at the end out of those students who have successfully submitted this application, out of them only based on the merit, right, based on the scores you got or the rank you got in Clat 2024, you will be allotted seat, right? But to file an application, to fill an application, and to further avail the application process, there is no as such restriction. So anyone can apply, provided you have to pay the 1000 rupees fees which has been prescribed, which is a non-refundable amount. Right now, how do you fill this particular application? One, you will first of all you have to first make a payment. Right now, this looks little different because usually you fill an application, then you make a payment. But here, the first step you have to do is make a payment, because while filling the application, you have to mention the details of the payment. So here in the same link that I just opened, you can see the first procedure, which is to make the payment. So if you click on this, you will be taken to a page where you can make a payment of 1000 rupees. Right? There are different modes by which you can do this. Once you have made the entire payment here, right, you will get an acknowledgement at the end, payment receipt. You have to keep the soft copy of that payment receipt. Why? That payment receipt will be useful when you fill the application form. So the ID which has been given in the acknowledgement sheet, which comes at the end of this page, that means after you make a successful payment of 1000, you will be given an acknowledgement paper. On that, there will be a specific ID that you have to use in application. So once you have made a fee payment of 1000 rupees, the next thing is you have to visit to this particular Google link, which is the same page itself. If I just click here, the same page will open. Anyhow, if we go down, right, we see from a specific position, we get to see a lot of details that are meant to be filled. Right, so you have to fill your email address. Right, you have to enter the academic program that you're availing vacant seats in. For example, if it's undergraduate or a postgraduate program, the name of the candidate, the gender, the father's name, right, addresses, contact number, all these things have to be filled in here. Right, your Clat 2024 marks and all these things have to be filled in here. Right, subsequent to which you need to at the end here, right, if you come to this particular position, you have to fill the payment receipt number. Remember, the first step, in the first step we did the payment. You have to make note of the sequence number of the payment that you have done, and you have to enter that sequence number here. Right, along with that, remember the acknowledgement PDF copy that you had kept, that I have told you to keep, you have to enter that in the next field. Right, all other are very general data. In case you are from Chhattisgarh category, there is a horizontal reservation for people with specially able people. Right, for them, PWD or SAP, if you are availing that, being a Chhattisgarh candidate, you have to mention, you have to further submit the document in support of that. right? No supporting document is required if you are availing seat in SC, ST, OBC, because that's already recorded in the Clat consortium website, or your scorecard will already have your reservation. So you don't need to enter, you don't need to upload any reservation documents as such, apart from the PWD or SAP category that is available for only Chhattisgarh domiciled students, right? Now, once you do it, the application form is submitted, and in coming days you will get to see the 7th. This is something that you need to remember. The 7th of this month, that is 7th of June 2024, is the last day. So make sure that you fill this application before that. After that, within 3 to 4 days from 7th, that's means somewhere we are speculating by 11th, right? We'll get by 11th, definitely we'll get a notification wherein all the students, out of those students who have applied, right, the merit students who stand in merit list, right, they will be called or to further pay the payment of the college, right, which is called the university fee, right. Once you make that payment, your seat will be confirmed in that respective NLU, right, which is HNLU in this case. Right, we'll be uploading further videos as well as support documents as to how you have to fill vacancies for different national universities as and when the notification comes out. So if you want to be updated about all the vacancy notifications of individual university, you can subscribe to our channel and visit the website mentioned in the description. Thank you so much. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much. That's all in today's video. Let's meet again.